Some people need the ocean like they need air. It's not a hobby, it's a heartbeat. That first duck dive, that fresh, crisp morning air, that feeling you're exactly where you're meant to be. Seventhwave Wetsuits are crafted with this purpose, by hand, with love from start to finish. Our small team cares about every stitch, every fit, every wetsuit built for your next adventure. No cutting corners, just honest, good quality gear built to last. Our wetsuits are flexible, sustainable and longer lasting, constructed with Yamamoto Limestone Neoprene. The ocean isn't just where we play, it's where we breathe, reset, come alive. Seventhwave isn't just a wetsuit brand, it's a celebration of local craftsmanship and a promise to make great gear that fits you, your life and your passion. Seventhwave Wetsuits, New Zealand made, ocean tested.